Hey you guys, so today we're going to make a headband wig. So first you need a cap that looks like this with the holes in it, because we're going to use a crochet needle. Then you're going to get a headband, any headband. You can get any color. I just chose black because that's the standard of what everyone is using in the headband. But you can choose any color. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure it's lined up with the band that's on the cap, and make sure it's the line right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to sew it down. So right here I just got the needle and thread, and I'm going to sew around the line, the band. I'm going to sew around the band. So I'm just going to sew. I'm going to hoop it to make sure it stays. So I'm going to do that all around the headband. So now I'm just giving you a close-up of how I'm doing it. I'm going between the band and the other band. So the band of the wig cap and the band that I'm sewing it on, I'm going in between those two and sewing them together. I'm going under and through, or through and under, sorry. And I'm going to do that all around. So when you do this, you can do, I would say do it inside out, because I kind of messed up. This was my first time actually trying it, so I'm not like great at it. But you would want to do, because everything is outside in, so you would want to reverse it, so when you sew it, you won't see the sewing stuff, you know. You won't see what you just did. It'll be inside. So now we're going to take the free tress passion twist, because you can use passion twist, you can use braids that's already pre-braided, you can use curly hair, you can do pretty much anything. But I was actually making this for a client that has ailments that require her to not, that don't require her to use her arms that often. So I was making this for her, and she wanted passion twist. So what I did was the holes that I am doing, I'm using 3 holes. You can choose to use 1 or 2 holes, but I was doing 3 holes. That just saves time. And you want to make sure you like space them out in the beginning, because I didn't do that. I made a mistake and like put them all together, and it was just way too much hair when I got to her. So space them out when you're doing the back, because I ended up using, I think, 3 packs, and that was way too much. In reality, you can use like a pack and a half, the most 2. See, right there, it's starting to get like a lot, because I did way too much. So just space them out in the back and in the middle, and then you can kind of eyeball how much you need in the front. Because right there, I ran out of packs. I was running out of hair, and child, I was just trying to make it work. But yeah, I'm still skipping 3 spaces throughout the whole head. So now what I'm doing is, well, what I did was I cut the back of it where the Velcro part is going to be. And it's not neat, like I said, because it's my first time, so I was just winging it, basically. So I brought the Velcro from like arts and crafts store. With the Velcro, it already comes with sticky paper, but I suggest you hot glue gun it or sew it down, because the sticky paper did not stay. The hot glue gun is kind of messy, so you just be really careful. And the sewing method is better than anything. But yeah, stay tuned for part 2 so you can see how it came out. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys.